Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add favicon in Wix. So let's go to the Wix dashboard first. To use this feature, you have to buy the premium Wix. So without buy the premium Wix, you cannot use it with the free version. The favicon is not for the free version. You have to buy the premium to Wix. After buying premium Wix, I don't have the premium one, but I'm showing you how to do or what to do after buy the premium one. After buying the premium or switch to upgrade, you have to click on this settings option. Click on settings. Now you have to choose website settings, this one. Then scroll down and you'll find here favicon, this one. You have to click on this upload a image. You'll find a button upload a image like this. Then you have to click on this and upload a image from your computer as a favicon. So this is how you can add a favicon in premium edition of Wix. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.